up, YouTube? When we're watching YouTube right now, and today I'm gonna talk about how I can manage posting every single day straight, like every single day. How I've managed to do it for like a month straight, more than a month straight now. How I've managed to do a month straight. I cannot believe it, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button. Smash that like button, smash the subscribe button if you want me to do 24-hour challenge, reading the Bible, and without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is obviously how do I keep like posting, and I don't think it's me, I think it's God that is posting, because I don't know, it's just been, I can't describe the journey, it's been amazing. And I can't believe that I've been managing to do every day. I either do every single day, and I'm counting live streams. Like, if I don't do a video, I have a live stream on the channel. I had a live stream yesterday. I didn't post yesterday, but that still counts in my book. So, I've been posting every single day, doing live streams, and I know, it's been fun. I also have an Instagram. Go down there if you want to check out my Instagram down below. I post inspirational quotes about Jesus and like inspirational quotes for like Christians and stuff. So I will go down there, follow me on there if you would like to, and subscribe to this channel. And yeah, I cannot believe that I have over 37, I've 37, 38 now? I cannot believe it. I'll be live streaming today. Cannot wait for that live stream. I don't want it to be a lot of nothingness. I want to actually talk. And I'm probably just going to delete my gaming live streams off the channel and just do kind of like this. I won't be live streaming with the green screen behind me, obviously, because I don't know how to do that live. I wouldn't know how to configure it unless, I don't know. But, I don't know. I think really Jesus has really helped me be able to post, being able to God, and he really helped me be able to post every day. I don't think it's me posting every day, because if I was running the YouTube channel, I probably wouldn't post every day. I mean, I ran a gaming channel and I post about every week, so but here I am it's not really me, but I mean posting every day is really a challenge sometimes. When you're gone, you gotta record videos in advance, and then sometimes you wear the same shirt for 5 videos recording in advance, and you're just like, really? Why am I wearing the same? I don't know, that's what happens. To me, how I get all videos done is I'll record them in advance, and I'll record 2 or 3 or 4 videos in advance, and I always have some backups in case they get sick. I can plop them. I'll have them. I can just go in, edit them, boom, 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 boom. I always have videos edited in advance. That's what I've been trying to do. Right now I have none in advance. I've been really trying to do some in advance, but it's just been, I can barely get one every day. I want to start getting some in advance, to start bringing out some content for all of you. And don't forget to tell your friends, share this on Facebook, Instagram, wherever you can share it to, because honestly, all I want to do is spread the word of the gospel. And when I grow up, God wants me to be a missionary, so I need to get comfortable talking to people. I'm not really talking to people, I'm just talking to my phone in a room by myself. Oh yeah, my upcoming vlogs, I don't know if they'll be upcoming, I checked them, but they're not really good footage, so I probably won't use those. So yeah, because when I was trying to vlog, I was getting death stares, and it wasn't the best. So I probably won't be any upcoming vlogs, so yeah. I will try though, I will try to get vlogs somewhere, I don't know how, but I'm not the best at vlogs, so yeah. I was vlogging at camp, and I was getting death glares, and it wasn't the best thing to do. But, I just want to say, I'm so happy right now, and I'm just going to continue posting videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye!